Sometimes we want to find an equation given 2 points. And again, it's going to be an equation in the form y equals mx plus b. So it's the equation of a line, not the equation of a parabola or something else. So for example, let's say I am given the points 5, 7, and the other point is 11, 25. Now the first thing I'm going to show, if I look at y equals mx plus b, let's kind of keep that in the corner of our minds there, y equals mx plus b. So what we need to do to find the equation of a line is we need to figure out m and we need to figure out b. And currently we have neither. We don't know the slope, we don't know the y-intercept. We could rectify that. We could find the slope. So let's go find the slope. So the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We should probably label the points then. We're going to start using this formula. So this is x and y. This is x and y. I'm going to say this is the first point, so it's x1, y1. This is the second point, so it's x2, y2. So we plug the numbers in, and we get y2 is 25, y1 is 7, x2 is 11, x1 is 5. 25 minus 7 is 18, 11 minus 5 is 6, and 18 minus 6 is 3. And as a reminder, this whole time we've been finding the slope. So the slope is 3. And now it kind of becomes a different problem. Now it becomes one where we have a slope and we have a point. So we have y equals mx plus b. We know the slope is 3. And we have to find the b. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in this point over here. And I could choose either point, but I'm going to pick this one because it has smaller numbers. And they're both positive. So it's pretty. So the y is 7, is 3, and then the x is 5 plus b. So 7 equals 15 plus b. 7 minus 15 equals b. b equals negative 8. And putting it all together, we get y equals, the slope is 3, the b is negative 8, and this is the equation of the line that goes through those 2 points over there. Let's just quickly double check. If we go back to when I used the 5, 7 point, what if I had used the other point? So I had this, I had y equals 3x plus b, and before I used the 5, 7 point, but I could have always used the other point as well. So let's see if we use the other point. The y would be 25, and we get 3, and then the x would be 11 plus b. And let's see if it gives us the same negative 8. So 25 equals 33 plus b. 33 goes to the other side. 25 minus 33 equals b. And once again, we find that b is negative 8. So we would have gotten the same answer. Let's do one more example. So let's say we have a point. I'm going to call it point A for no good reason. I'm going to call the next point point B. I'm going to say that has a minus 2 and 19. And I want the equation of the line that goes through those points. So m is x, y, x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1 is going to be 19 minus 7. x2 minus x1 is minus 2 minus 1. 19 minus 7 is 12. Minus 2 minus 1 is negative 3. And 12 over negative 3 is negative 4. So m is negative 4. So we could plug that into our, so we have y equals mx plus b. But we know the slope is negative 4. So it's going to be y equals negative 4 x plus b. We could plug in any point, and as we showed, we could definitely plug in any point. I'll plug in the a. Again, slightly prettier numbers. Minus 4, and the x is 1 plus b. So what we have is we have 7 equals negative 4 plus b. The minus 4 goes to this side, becomes a positive. 7 plus 4 equals b. 11 equals b. And if we put it all together, y equals minus 4x plus 11. And that is our answer.